Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to use this as my reference photo. This is from Blue Jasmine Floral, and I'm going to be using Khadi Journal for my paper. For my paint, I'm using Art Philosophy. So I'm using Odyssey. I'm also using Currents, and I'm not sure, but I might use Classics. For my brush, I'm gonna be using this silver Silk 88 Cat's Tongue brush. I just wanted to play around with this brush. Let's start with using this blue. I'm just going to dilute it. I think I'm gonna try to paint the white flower using this color. So you might not really see this flower, but later on I'm gonna put some dark leaves and flowers beside it so you can see this flower better. Okay, then I think I'd like a neutral color. So I'm so sorry for the background noise. Sometimes you'll hear cars passing by. Okay, so I'm just like dabbing my brush. I think I want a really nice green center, so I'm gonna use this green. I'm just going to let it bleed, then we'll fix it later. I'm just gonna keep it pretty loose because we're going to add some layers in a while. And then let's just add some like violet. Add a bit of green on this side. Just wanted to make it a bit more expressive. Then let's add some stem. Okay, so I'm gonna add some brown to my green to make it just a bit warmer. Let's add a white flower again. I'm gonna use just diluted light blue color. And then add a little bit of green. Okay. So I'm mixing my pink and violet. Painting another flower. So I'm just creating the expressive strokes. I'm gonna put the dark center. Okay, then we can use our round brush. Let's create like a 5-petal flower. And then let's add some indigo in the center. Okay. paint. Another one over here. Just some loose fillers. So you can try to like wiggle your brush to create a more expressive stroke. So we want another violet flower on this side. So I'm trying to add some dark flowers and leaves beside this flower to make this more like pop up some more. Okay, then let's add some small like berries over here. Just put some like small dots. And I think I'm gonna add some stem. Okay, and then can add some leaves. I'm gonna mix green and indigo. Just to create like a dark green color. Okay. I think we need to add something more. On this side, I'm gonna add a pink, maybe pink flower. And then let's add a stem. So I'm using 2 brushes just so that I don't keep on like washing my brush, and I can have 2 colors in 2 different brushes. It makes it easier to move. And then let's add some sort of like small flowers. I'm just gonna make some dots. Okay, so I think we can make another like white flower-ish over here. Okay, then let's add a dark leaf right here just to give it some contrast. Okay, then one more right here. So just trying to create different shades of like green. I think I can add a second layer for some of the fillers. And then add some greens on some areas. Now now let's make this more defined. So this is already dry. I'm just adding like a dark center, and we're gonna try to spread that out. Okay, and I'm gonna add more indigo. You can also add some more detail on this part. Okay, so we're almost done. This is just like an expressive interpretation of the reference photo. And I also did not include all the flowers in the reference photo. So just take out the flowers that look the most interesting to you. Okay, so we are done. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. See you in my next video. Bye!